Boiled eggs in the morning. Pot under cold water is a big mistake. I will teach you the correct way to do it today. Tender egg yolk. Nutrition is not lost. Hello, everybody. This is the kitchenette during the day. I'm here to share with you today and make eggs for breakfast. A tip for boiling eggs. Never use cold water. Pot with cold water. Teach you skills to boil. And the eggs you boil are all moderately soft and tender. Nutrition is not lost. Come and take a look with me. Speaking of eggs, in our daily life, a very common nutritious food. High quality and low price. Many friends every day. I have the habit of eating 1 to 2 eggs in the morning. It can replenish all kinds of energy for our body. However, there are many ways to eat eggs. Fried eggs, scrambled eggs, steamed eggs, boiled eggs. Which way to say? It can maximize the nutritional value of eggs. Then it must be a boiled egg. But when it comes to boiled eggs, many friends are not particularly good at. Seemingly simple, but always boiled the skin, or the boiled egg yolk is very choking. Today, let me share with you the correct practice of a 5-star chef. Before that, let's teach you how to choose eggs first. Common eggs on the market include white shell eggs, yellow shell eggs, even green eggs. Some are divided into local eggs and ordinary eggs. How do you tell them apart? The price difference between the two is very large. However, it is also recommended that if there are not too many requirements for taste, just try to buy cheap eggs. Whether it's a local egg or raised ordinary eggs, its nutritional value is almost the same. It's just that the taste may be slightly different. The second aspect is to distinguish from the color of the eggs. We can find out most of the eggs on the market with this brown shell. Cheaper than white shell eggs. It's just a different breed of our chicken. Different colors. The eggs that are laid. So the color of the exterior is also different. It's not all that different in terms of nutritional value. So what? What is the color of the eggshell without tearing it? Just buy the eggs you see fit. Next, according to the number of people in your home, prepare the right amount of eggs. I have 6 ready here. Put the prepared eggs into the basin and heat them up. Sprinkle in a pinch of salt. Add water that has covered the eggs. Use your left hand to gently shake the egg. Let the salt dissolve completely in the water, forming a relatively high concentration of egg saline. The purpose of this, yes, you can give eggs a shell. Achieve a disinfection, the role of sterilization. Mix well, soak it in for 10 minutes. You can see that the shell of the egg is very dirty. There may even be some chicken manure residue. It looks very different, and there's a lot of E. coli on the surface. So we don't care how we cook. You need to wash it first. Time to take out the tissues at home. Take advantage of the adsorption and friction of paper towels. Now scrub the egg cases one by one. There are no tissues at home. A scouring cloth can also achieve a good cleaning effect. Be careful when washing. Move gently. Don't wash the eggshells. After fully washing, now pour out the water. With running tap water, wash the eggs one by one for another 3 to 4 times until the integral residue on the surface of the eggshell and salt residue. Just rinse it thoroughly. During the washing process, the action must be relatively soft. Like this, it's perfectly clean. Prepare an appropriate amount of water in the pot below. Prepare more water. Then start a fire. With the greatest fire, burn the inside of the pot like this, torn and unopened. Lots of dense little bubbles at the bottom. Then add a spoonful of salt to it. Stir gently with a spoon. Let the salt fully dissolve in the hot water. Adding salt can increase the density of water. During the entire process of boiling eggs, it can prevent eggs and the bottom of the pan. They collide really hard. Prevent eggshells from opening during cooking. The condition of a cracked shell. Then follow the edge of the pot in turn. Carefully slide the eggs into the pan. Don't throw eggs directly from the water. that can also easily cause the surface of the eggshell to open up after the platoon heat teams are put in one by one. Gently push twice with a spoon. In this way, you can take advantage of the temperature of the hot water in the pot. Let the egg white set quickly, and it solidifies more evenly. Cover the pot. Keep the fire going. Bring the inside of the pot to a boil again. After the inside of the pot is boiled, now keep the fire to a minimum. Let the inside of the pot be in a relatively high temperature state. Just boil the water and continue to cook for 8 minutes. Keep the fire low for the entire 8 minutes. Too much fire can easily cause the eggshell to break the skin. After enough time, lift the lid. Each white egg is very complete and round. There hasn't been a single crack. Boiled eggs. Quickly put it into a pre-prepared cold water basin. Quickly cool the freshly cooked eggs instantly. The idea is to cool it down quickly. Using the principle of thermal expansion and contraction, you can make the eggshell better peeled off. Put the eggs on the cutting board. Tap twice. Knock the eggshell open. Then gently press the middle of the egg with your hand. This makes the eggshell very flexible. Another wave of eggshells is very fast. Opening an eggshell is as easy as opening a jewelry box. The boiled eggs are very complete. Let's cut it with a knife and take a look. This is what an egg looks like when it's 8 minutes long. The egg yolk just solidified. There's a little sugar heart in the middle. Eggs like this. Friends who like sweet eggs can cook them for 8 minutes. The eggs set just right. Not old, not tender, not choking. Protein is also very cute. Elastic. Peel another one, split it in the middle, and look at it. The eggs cooked in this way are particularly soft and tender. The egg yolk is also just right, whether it's cut vertically or broken horizontally. The egg yolk in the middle is just right. A little sugar heart. Delicious nutrition does not choke. How about today? Mainly shared with you. One way we boil eggs for breakfast. Because many friends have breakfast. They all have the habit of eating eggs, but mostly in the process of boiling eggs. I don't know if it is a pot with cold water or a pot with hot water. So much so that the eggs we cook or break the shell or lose flowers. It also seems to affect appetite significantly. And eggs are either old and really choking, or it's not fully cooked in the middle. Even though you follow this method I'm sharing with you today, you come to protect. The eggs you boiled are all moderately soft and tender. Nutrition preservation. You who want to eat candy eggs. It's just like I said. After the pot boils, cook for 8 minutes. Want to eat well-cooked eggs? Then cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Just right. If you think my video today, if it helps you, remember to forward and share it. Can help more friends and family? Of course, if you have other better methods, you can also share your method in the comment area. Let more friends know, benefit more people. And this is the kitchenette. Click on my avatar. You can watch more exciting videos. So that's it for our video sharing. Bye-bye in the next video.